G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to start looking at our Project 9080. We're going to do a compression test because I've got a bit of time to do it and I'm waiting on parts. There is a bit of a misfire from the engine. It seems ignition related. If we look at our invoices, last time this car had plugs and wires it was 2005. Oh no, it didn't even have wires. It had a rotor, spark plugs and a dizzy cap. So that's kind of 13 years ago. I've had a look. It seems to be cylinder 5's got a fairly weak spark. Still fires half the time, but under light throttle it's got a bit of a misfire. But we're going to do a mechanical compression check just to get a good idea. We look at our manual here. It's off the shelf. I've already got this stuff lying around. So 2.3 litre. Our minimum compression should be 8 bar, 116 psi. With max difference between cylinders of 3 bar. So we'll go ahead, do the compression test, come back and see what we reckon about that. What do you think of that, Charlie? Even got genuine plugs in. Where can we stick that, eh? Ready? $155. It's alright, eh? Go on, next one. Can you get in? Let me hop in. Hop in. Go on, you're the driver. Right. You do this, you're going to turn the key. That's it. Piff puff. Hold on. Hold on. What do you reckon? We'll take it off here because you're a liability. Wait, you don't need that. Stop jacking around. That's him. Yeah, 150 on that one, so that's pretty good, eh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, boo-boo ball.
Right, so we're in pretty good shape really. All our cylinders are between 150 and 160 psi. It's a long way up from our minimum of 116, and we're well within kind of a 10% tolerance variance between our cylinders. So can we give that a big thumbs up, Charlie? Yay! Okay, stay tuned. We got some suspension work coming up, ignition tune-up, and a few more kind of general bits of maintenance on this platform of Audi, and we'll go from there. Cheers!